Hi, my name is Peter De Vos. I'm the director, founder of House of Miracles Children's Ministry.
Hello, my name is Melissa Audrey De Vos and I serve here at House of Miracles Children's Ministry. Today we are having our Christmas production, our carols by candlelight. So yeah, we're gonna have so much fun today.
I'm super excited. We want change in the community and we want souls to be saved today.
Our schools in the community has actually lacked in this area where they don't have school concerts or even a school choir anymore.
Hi, my naam is Francisco Domingo. Ek is deel van die produksie wat vandag gaan gebeur. Ek dans en ek is part aan die plein.
So what we do here at House of Miracles, we serve the children, we give them food, we keep them off the streets, and also we teach them about the love of God.
We want change in our community. We want children to go to school, have good grades, go to university, and be able to provide for their families at the end of the day.
Isaiah 9 verse 6. For to us a child is born, to us a son.
If you give your heart to Jesus, there's gonna become a change in your life.
Ja, daar was 'n baie groot change in my lewe vanaf ek hier by House of Miracles gekom het. Ek het eers geroek, eers gedrink, maar nou het ek gechange in my lewe. Ek het die Here in my hart in, die House of Miracles.
We take you to church, we take you through Bible study, and I especially know that that is gonna bring change in the children's lives.